Hi guys! Hope you're finding plenty of time to have fun on your Yamaha keyboards. Today I'm going to do something different. This is my arranger keyboard, which is the Yamaha PSR EW410. I really love this keyboard, so today I'm going to do a product review on it. Before we start, I just want to let you know that this is in no way a paid promotion. I wish it was. It has got loads of different functions. Sound quality is really top notch and I just love it. So anyway, without further ado, I'm going to tell you a bit more about it. So stick around and let's get on with this. Okay, so a standard size piano has 88 keys. Many digital keyboards are a little bit smaller than this. They've got 61 keys and this has got 76 keys. So it just gives you that bigger range to do lots of different things with it. It's also got two 12-watt speakers, so it's got great sound quality. And you can also connect the two external speakers as well if you wanted to use this on stage for a gig or something. So let me turn this up. So my volume is only halfway up at the moment. And I'm going to turn it up really loud. I'm going to turn it up full. Maybe jump. So you can see that is extremely loud, and that's just with these two speakers. It's got a portable grand reset button here, so you can fiddle around as much as you want with this and change lots of different settings with the different voices and all sorts of other things that you can do with it. So you can press this button and it just resets everything back to the grand piano sound. So that's a really easy option. So don't ever worry about messing something up inside the functions, because there are different ways of resetting things. It comes with an online manual as well, which is downloadable. You can print it off or you can just read it online, and it is very, what's the word I'm looking for? Basic? No, it's not basic. It's definitely not basic. Yamaha PSR EW410 comes with 4 basic functions, which are the voice, the style, the song and the groove creator. The groove creator is a really fun feature. You can DJ like a pro apparently. Start with selecting either of these and then you can change the different settings using the scroll wheel here, which is a really quick option, or just by inputting the different numbers of which function you require here. There's also a function button here which takes you through more difficult background functions. You can scroll through different categories here. This screen here, the display screen, is a great little feature. It tells you your song number or your voice number or your style number. It tells you the different tracks, the notes you are playing on the keyboard or that the keyboard is playing when it's in accompaniment mode, touch sensitivity and the arpeggios. The only thing I don't like about this, I would say, is you've got this big panel here. It's not doing anything at all, so it's just wasted space, and then you've got this tiny little display screen here. I don't know why they didn't make the display screen bigger, because then I have to put my glasses on to get up close and see what's actually in the display window. So you can obviously use it just like a normal piano, just by pressing the portable grand key there, and then you can change the voice. Another cool feature is it's also got a split voice function, so you can have one voice going on in the left hand and you can have a different voice going on in the right hand. You get the drift. Okay, so another great feature is single finger chords. I'm just going to add a bit of rhythm. So with this keyboard you've got 235 auto accompaniment styles, which will just play backing track to all the chords that you're playing in your left hand. They range from dance to disco to swing and jazz, R&B, country, Latin world, ballroom, traditional. And you've also got 758 different voices. Now that sounds an incredible amount of voices. I would say that over half of those are to do with the drums and the arpeggios and the samplings. So really you're going to be using about 220 of those voices, but that's still an incredible amount of voices. And the other great feature, if you just want to play along to this keyboard, you don't have to make it that complicated. You can just press the song button. It's also got 20 different built-in songs that you can play along to. So I can sit here and just listen to music, or I can just play along with it. So one great cool feature is the groove creator, and I'm going to try and come up with something using the groove creator and the track control buttons, which also are then shown up in this screen here, and the live control knobs. You've got two live control knobs and you'll hear what they do in a moment. Okay, so another cool feature of multi-track recordings. You can layer your different tracks and your different sounds to make one like whole orchestra if you want to. I'll put a link in the description below. I've done a video on multi-track recordings, and please do take a look at that. Okay, so I'm just going to take you around the back of the keyboard where you've got all your different ports. And the good thing about this is that it's got lots of different options that you can use to record something on a USB stick, or if you want to put your music straight to your computer. I've actually got mine connected straight to my computer at the moment. So you've got your headphones jack, and you've got one for your sustain pedal as well. Come with a sustain pedal. I bought mine from Gear for Music. You can actually get the keyboard to sustain for you, but it's much more natural to want to play the piano with a sustain pedal, and I'll put a link to that product below. It comes with a standard nice book stand which fits in there. It's only got two tabs there and two holes there, so you do have to make sure if you've got a heavy book on there that you push it down. Oh yeah, and the other cool feature is a quick sampling feature. I've used it a couple of times just to find out what it does. With the quick sampling feature, you can record your own sounds via, say, your mobile device, and then you can transport it into here. And goodness knows how I did it, because I did it a while ago when I was trying it out. That's me. That's actually my voice.
Now.
And these are the ones that come with it. I suppose you could add it to your DJing and using the Groove Creator. I like the harmony feature. So if I demonstrate with a little country ballad, and you can set it to like block or country. So I'm going to use the country, and hopefully you can hear the difference. So I'm going to turn it off first. And then if I introduce the harmony, you can hear the difference. I just worked out how to use that arpeggio in a disco hit. So to recap, I think this is really great. You can record into the keyboard, you can layer tracks, record onto an external device like your computer, you can bring in quick sampling sounds from external devices, put them into the keyboard, you can use USB stick, you can connect to other devices, and you've got an amazing Groove Creator. You can have lots of fun with dual voices, split voices and arpeggios, harmonies, and it's got auto accompaniment, or you can just play it like a normal piano, which is probably what I do a lot of the time. So you've got to work out whether it's worth paying that amount of money for. Are you just a standard pianist where you just want to, you don't need all these extra functions, or do you think that you're going to get so much out of it for the price that it is? When this first came out, I think it was about £460 sterling, and about 4 years later now they retail about £370. So I think yes, definitely £370 sterling for everything you're getting here is absolutely amazing, and I love it. I just love it. Anyway, thanks for watching guys, this really long video. I probably haven't explained things as best as I can. If there's anything you want to ask, just comment in the box below and I'll try and answer as many questions as I possibly can, like always. If you want me to do a video on anything else, like I'm going to do one on the Groove Creator in more detail, I will do a video of that for you. And please, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.